Compare the chemical identities of the reactant and the products. Reactant: hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, a molecular liquid. Products: water, H2O, a molecular liquid, and oxygen gas, O2, a diatomic gas. Because the starting material has been converted into entirely new substances with distinct chemical and physical properties. This process is fundamentally a chemical change rather than a physical change. Recall the definition of a chemical change at the atomic/molecular level. A chemical change involves the rearrangement of atoms. This requires the breaking of existing intramolecular forces, chemical bonds, within the reactant molecules and the forming of new intramolecular forces, chemical bonds, to produce the products. A physical change, by contrast, alters only the physical state or intermolecular spacing of a substance, such as melting ice to liquid water, without altering the covalent bonds holding the individual molecules together. Analyze the bonding changes occurring in the reaction. In the reactant, H2O2, oxygen atoms are bonded to each other by a single covalent bond, H-O-OH. In the products, the single covalent bonds between the oxygen atoms in H2O2 are broken. New covalent bonds are formed. OH single bonds within H2O molecules, and a strong O equals O double bond to create molecular oxygen gas, O2. Because intramolecular covalent bonds are broken and new covalent bonds are formed, this is classified as a chemical change. This aligns perfectly with option D. The correct answer is option D. Chemical change because covalent bonds are broken and new covalent bonds are formed.